Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating obvious browser interference, clear cache and cookies, or open an incognito window to rule out extensions. Once done, make sure your browser is updated to the latest release and check hardware acceleration. Toggle it off if Studio behaves oddly. Next, sign out of YouTube Studio and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens and channel permissions. This resolves many permission and loading issues quickly, because stale sessions or extensions are often the root cause. If initial steps didn't fix it, move into deeper diagnostics. Disable extensions one at a time. Ad blockers and script managers commonly break Studio features. Then test Studio in a different browser or on another device to determine whether the issue is local to your machine or account-wide. While you test, review channel permissions and account security settings, because revoked permissions or two-factor prompts can block Studio access. These steps pinpoint whether the problem is an extension, browser, device, or account configuration. To finish, reset your browser settings or create a fresh profile. This removes corrupted configurations that resist other fixes. If you still need to publish, use the YouTube mobile app or alternate upload workflow as a temporary workaround, because that keeps your channel moving while you resolve Studio issues. If the problem persists, collect console logs, network request timestamps, and screenshots. Then contact Google support with that evidence to speed resolution. One troubleshooting tip: replicate the issue with a clean profile to prove it's not local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.